What up, YouTube? It's S-Blaze, aka Scott. We're at Pistons fan.
What up?
BT.
What up?
BT's busting Elite Purchase and Stars. One pack of Elite. Pistons fans busting. Classics box. We're at the Panini booth.
Panini Master here. Yo, what up?
Panini Master. That's my BT.
Hopefully get something nice.
Kevin Boss. It's okay, those are extra packs.
Good luck, BT.
What's up? Thank you.
How many hits in that stuff?
Four.
Thanks, guys. Good luck.
Hardesty, he's out for the year, I think. Russell O'Connor, that's nice.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah, for YouTube. You're live on YouTube.
Oh, what up? Panini rep here.
These are YouTube legends right here.
Hit.
There's a hit.
Jersey.
Dress code, yeah.
Auto.
Steven Jackson. $2.99. What is this? Redemption.
Rudy Gay.
Rudy Gay. J. Ogdens.
Rudy Gay.
Where's the checklist in here?
There isn't.
There isn't.
Yeah, it's like the only product they don't redemption. Like
Let's
the
check it out
checklist.
online. What is it?
175.
Signatures 175.
Were there any good redemption autos?
I can't believe
Is that
definitely good redemption.
Oh,
is
that
that
must
Trent
be.
Williams? Could it be? I would.
Is that a veteran?
There's another hit.
No, I think it's an insert.
Good call, S+. Thanks, man.
No problem.
Jacobs.
No hits yet, BT?
Hit.
Oh, it's hit. It's
That is
purple. Right?
No.
Oh, it's a nice
sick.
patch.
James
Who is it?
Johnson.
Nice, dude.
I always get James Johnson.
Panini Master.
50. Three
Nice
color
hit.
patch.
Number to 50?
Yep, 50.
I saw the purple behind it, that's why.
Yeah. Oh, that's a close one.
What's that?
Yeah.
69 of 100.
Heyo.
Maybe.
Mike Dunley, that's sick. Here's a hit. Should be rookie.
Insert.
No. Garrett Blount. Isn't that the dude who punched, what's his name?
Yes, it is.
It's a hit.
What a doucher.
Chris
Bosh.
Bosh.
You want it?
I'll take it.
Absolutely, dude.
I don't think this is numbered. No, this is the only thing that's numbered.
Hey, it's Snoop Dogg's retarded cousin, Chris Bosh.
I hate Chris Bosh.
Really?
Yeah.
Signatures.
No autos yet.
Philadelphia Eagles.
Mike Kafka.
No, it's nothing.
I think I played a Kafka or something.
That's the second one out of 50 I've gotten. Who is it that collects? Is that Headbando?
Yeah, I think he likes the Eagles.
Yeah.
ET still looking for 3 hits?
Nope.
How the rookies?
Still looking for 2 more autos. I believe. Should be.
Punch auto.
Yeah.
At least.
At least one.
So can I get an extra... Dude, can I get an extra bonus pack because of the redemption?
I don't know, maybe.
Should be like an extra 5 bonus packs.
7.
Oh, I think maybe here. Maybe. Yeah.
Oh, that's nasty.
Ted. Ted.
We got.
You have the card?
Jason Campbell.
PJ
Oh,
Mullins.
got BJ again. Oh my god. Always get him. Kidding me.
You have to open up.
Did you play it all this year?
Oh, yeah? Always get him. Always get him. What's Crown Royale? Crown Royale.
Someone's busting Crown Royale.
Greatest product ever.
BT's favorite product. Have you got any auto? Oh, you got the one auto, the redemption.
Now here's a hit. That card is jacked up.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Batch.
This card is jacked up. 17 out of 25. Look at those patches.
That's what it is.
Christensen and Plunkett. Look at that. It's pretty sweet, right?
No. I always get BJ. Oh my god. I hate it. No, you don't even know how much I like. Oh, here's the other one. Elvin Hayes.
Old school.
Hall of Fame.
Number.
25.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Elvin
Let me
Hayes.
get a shot of that.
That's the other one, I guess.
This card is destroyed. I need definitely want an extra promo pack for that. Or I would appreciate it.
I did well in the promo packs yesterday. I got 2 John Walls. I'm at 50. Auto.
Want the roses.
Dan LeFleur.
Oh, he was actually good.
Last one.
Is he good?
He was good in college.
6 to 25.
I'd hold on to that sucker. I think he'll be a sleeper.
Right.
Why? Because Jay Cutler's horrible.
Yeah, give him a couple years and he'll be starting.
Another card's totally destroyed.
Pick 5 out of there.
That's packed. You got all your hits, right?
More Scott. Pick me one pack. You got a good one. There you go. I'll wait for you.
I get 6.
Sure.
Really?
Yeah.
I appreciate that, man.
Wow.
Let's do it.
Pull some. The John Wall. 101.
You need this?
You need packs, eh? Alright, good luck. It's a pack wars.
Pack Wars? You want
Promo
him?
pack? No.
You're busting
Thanks,
now.
man. I appreciate
Are you
that.
busting now?
Here we go. No.
Actually, yes.
Oh, you do? Oh, yeah.
I want it just to bring all the base back.
Busting the promo packs. 2 cards per pack. Lake.
Jimmy Clausen, Henrik Sedin.
Ryan Miller, Blake Griffin. Pack with 3 cards, man.
Rose.
Evan Turner
That's
out
nice.
of 25.
That's really nice. I've been sitting at number 25. Blacko.
Come on, redemption.
Derek Favors, $4.99.
Pack with 3 cards. I think I saw something.
That job at best? Nice.
There fits. Java Best.
At a
It's
10.
4 out of 10.
Wow, that's
Numbered.
really nice.
Kobe
Huh?
at a $4.99. Sanchez.
There are 2 to 3 cards in these colors, right? Some right? I think I saw
Most
some.
of the ones I've seen are 2.
2.
Might have 3 if you're really lucky.
Evan Turner, Tim
Tebow's
Tebow.
good.
Some
Favors,
There's
Flacco.
your second Blacko.
I think you got Blacko in the back.
Come
Elvin
on.
Hayes. Let me see that. That's
I
nice.
saw. I got
Eric.
LeBron. I was 25.
Ooh, LeBron.
Ryan Matthews.
25.
First
It's
heat
not a
card.
redemption.
Thank you guys.
$4.99. LeBron James.
Oh, shoot. Tyson took my
Aaron Rodgers. Ron at a $4.99.
LeBron.
I am striking out today.
Come on, last one. Redemption.
Nope. Tyreek Evans though. $4.99. Wah, wah, wah.
Alright, thank you for watching, guys. BT
Thanks,
and
man.
Pistons fan.
Peace.
I got one more.